Welcome to Mars Info, sol.13.2025, the 13th Martian day of this new human exploration era. Today, we look at one of the most mysterious and fascinating images ever captured on the red planet. At first glance, it seems ordinary, a barren desert landscape filled with reddish dust, scattered rocks, and endless silence. But then, something unusual appears, a rock formation that strangely resembles a human head and shoulders, almost like a statue half buried in the Martian soil. Some even call it the face on Mars. This image has stirred curiosity and debate all around the world. Many people believe it's proof of ancient life or even an intelligent civilization that once existed on Mars. The idea that there might have been Martians, beings who built structures or sculptures, captures the imagination. But scientists see it differently. What looks like a face to us is most likely just a naturally shaped rock, formed by millions of years of erosion from wind and dust storms. Our brains are wired to recognize familiar shapes, a phenomenon known as pareidolia, where we see faces or figures even when there aren't really there. Still, this picture reminds us why Mars is so special. It's not just another planet, it's our closest window into understanding how life might begin, survive, or disappear. Mars once had rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans. Evidence shows that liquid water once flowed across its surface, and where there's water, there might have been life, even if only tiny microbes. Since 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover has been exploring Mars, collecting rock samples, studying the soil, and searching for organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Each Martian sol, or day, brings new discoveries and new questions. On Sol 13 of the 2025 mission, data continues to suggest that beneath Mars's cold, dusty surface, there may still be frozen water, and possibly signs of ancient microorganisms. The dream of finding life beyond Earth drives much of our space exploration today, and images like this, whether mysterious rocks or imagined faces, keep that dream alive. Even if this isn't a real statue or living creature, it's a symbol of our endless curiosity. Every strange shadow, every oddly shaped stone makes us ask, what if? In the coming years, humans will set foot on Mars. We'll touch its soil, explore its caves, and maybe even build the first colony under its pinkish sky. And when we look back at images like this one, we'll remember that it all started with small signs, small mysteries, and our human desire to seek the truth. So, here we are, standing on the edge of discovery. Whether or not life exists on Mars, one thing is certain. Our search for answers will continue, not just to find other worlds, but to better understand our own.
Mars, also known as the Red Planet, has always fascinated scientists and space explorers because of its similarities to Earth. In recent years, several missions, such as NASA's Curiosity rover and Perseverance rover, have discovered interesting rock formations, soil patterns, and mineral traces that suggest Mars once had water. These discoveries are important because water is the basic need for life. The strange structures and formations found on the Martian surface, like the ones in these images, show how wind and dust storms shaped the planet's surface over time. Scientists believe that millions of years ago, Mars may have had rivers, lakes, and even a thicker atmosphere, which could have supported microscopic life forms. Mars is dry, cold, and has a thin atmosphere mostly made of carbon dioxide, making it difficult for life as we know it to survive. But future missions aim to find signs of ancient microbial life beneath the surface or in frozen ice caps. Human exploration of Mars could help answer one of humanity's biggest questions: are we alone in the universe? The study of Mars not only teaches us about another planet, but also helps us understand Earth's past and future. Exploring Mars brings us one step closer to understanding life beyond our world and the possibilities of human settlement on another planet. Mars has always been a planet of mystery and curiosity. Scientists and space agencies around the world have been studying it for many years to find out whether life ever existed there. The surface of Mars is covered with red dust, rocks, and unusual formations, some of which look like they were shaped by flowing water or wind over millions of years. The images captured by rovers show rock structures that seem almost alive, but they are most likely natural formations created by erosion. Still, these shapes inspire us to imagine what Mars might have looked like when it was warmer and wetter. Research shows that Mars once had rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans. This means that tiny living organisms like bacteria could have survived there long ago. Scientists are using advanced technology to study Martian soil, air, and ice to find traces of life. Missions like NASA's Perseverance rover are also collecting rock samples for future study on Earth. Even though no living creature has been found yet, the discoveries on Mars are very exciting. They remind us that our universe is full of surprises and that life might exist in places we never expected. Mars exploration is not just about science, it's about human curiosity, imagination, and the desire to explore beyond our home planet. Scientists have been exploring Mars for many years to find signs of life. NASA's rovers have discovered rocks and soil that suggest water once existed there. This is important because water is the main ingredient for life. Mars also has mountains, valleys, and dust storms similar to Earth's natural features. Visit Mars and build homes there. Thanks for watching.